Previously, when automobiles were first introduced in India, along with the car, used to get the driver. So once there was a very famous Nawab, a multi-millionaire, and he bought a very expensive car. So along with the car, he got a driver. And he told his driver that I want to take my Begum Sahiba, my wife, for shopping. So please get the car. So the driver tells the Nawab that the car is not in working condition. And the Nawab, he gets angry on the driver. And the driver tells the Nawab, in order to get the car into working condition, I require 30 kgs of pure ghee, 40 kgs of pure honey, and 50 liters of milk in order to get the car into working condition. So the Nawab provides it to the driver and the car is in working condition. I'm asking you the question that today, if your driver, if he tells you that he requires 30 kgs of pure honey, 40 kgs of pure ghee, and 50 liters of milk in order to get the car to working condition, what will you do? Will you give it to him? You will kick him out of the job. Because you know that a car, it runs on gas and petrol. Though you don't know all the functions of a car, yet you know that the car, it runs on gas and petrol. And it does not run on ghee, honey, milk, etc. Therefore, if we know the basic message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, no one can take us for a ride. No one can make a fool out of us. If you have a kacha license, the police will charge you a lesser fine. Whereas if you have a pakka license, the police will charge you a bigger fine. So if you do not read the glorious Qur'an with understanding, and if we commit any sin, then Almighty God will give us a lesser punishment. Whereas if we read the glorious Qur'an with understanding, and if we commit a sin, then Almighty God will give us a double punishment. If you have a kacha license, the police might probably charge you 1,000 rupees. Whereas if you have a pakka license, a permanent license, the police might charge you 2,000 rupees. But the chances that you'll commit an accident if you have a kacha license is, in a year, it is 50. Whereas if you have a pakka license, a permanent license, the chances that you'll commit an accident in a year is 1. So by the end of the year, if you have a kacha license, you will give a sum of rupees 50,000 as a fine. Many of the Muslims say that we should only read the translation. There is no benefit in reading the Arabic text. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says the glorious Qur'an. It's in Nisa chapter number 4, verse number 171. La taghlu fi dinikum. Do not commit excesses in your religion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says the glorious Qur'an. It's in Ankabut chapter number 29, verse number 45. Utlu ma uhiya ilayka min al-kitab wa aqamu as-salah. Inna as-salata tanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Recite for the book what is revealed to thee and establish prayer. Indeed, prayer restrains from shameful and unjust deeds. عن ابن مسعود رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من قرأ حرفا من كتاب الله فله حسنة والحسنة بعشر أمثالها. لا أقول ألف لام ميم حرف ولكن ألف حرف ولام حرف وميم حرف. Whosoever recites anything from the book of Allah, it will be multiplied by 10. Alif Lam Mim is not a letter, but Alif is a letter, Lam is a letter, and Mim is a letter. So if you recite Alif Lam Mim, you will get 10, 10, 10, 30 sawab. If you read only the Arabic text, you will get so much sawab. And if you read the Arabic along with the English translation or the translation, the language you understand the best, inshallah, you will get much more sawab. Further, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an, in Surah Muhammad chapter number 47, verse number 38, وَإِن تَتَوَلَّوْا يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالِكُمْ. And if you do not do your job, Allah will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالِكُمْ. And they will not be like you. If you do not do a job, if you do not do dawah, then Allah will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالِكُمْ. And they will not be like you. And especially in India, there are many people who read the glorious Qur'an once, twice, thrice in Arabic. Rather than read it in Arabic only, they should read it along with the translation. Once in Arabic and once with the translation in the language they understand the best. Whether it be in English, whether it be in Hindi, whether it be in Urdu. And inshallah, it will gain them much more sawab.